Right, so we're in the Golf Mark 7 here, and we've got the MMB Dongle Plus again, and we're just going to show you what it looks like with the current update before we update it and see the changes. All right, let's get this plugged in and mirrored some video. So we've got the MMB Dongle Plus here, and we're going to connect it in, and we're going to fire it up, and we're going to go back to the screencast. We're going to do the mirroring. We're going to connect it to our phone, and we're connected. We're going to do screen mirroring. Right, so we're in here, and we're going to come out of this. We're going to go back into YouTube, and then we can't tap here. We've got to tap here.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
So that's through the current version of the dongle. I'll just show you what version we are currently running. So version 1.00.12.16.16, and you have another version here too. And we just go back to the screencast and check the version of that again, 00.20.12.16.16. So let's go back in the studio and update the dongle.
A few moments later.
So we've got our SanDisk USB stick here. We've loaded it with the actual updated files, and we're going to plug it into the bottom of the MMB. So here's the MMB. We've got to plug in the actual stick itself. We're going to come out of here, and hopefully it will recognize that there's an update.
A few moments later.
Right, so it detected the update, and now it's restarting. It's good to have a USB stick with a light on it, and like a status light, so at least you can then know that the drive is actually doing something. The actual software is actually seeking it, and there's data actually coming from the stick, rather than the stick being completely dead without any status lights and you not knowing if it's actually doing anything. So if you've got a status light on your USB stick, then happy days. And we're back in. So let's check the version. So we're now 1.00.12.25.11. And if you can play back, you can see if that's changed as well. And if I go into PhoneCast, we've got a brand new screen here, so that's definitely updated. And you've got this is updated as well, because it was 2012.16.16. So that's good. So we've got a new interface here, whether you want to do TV screen or phone screen. So this should now mimic the Chromecast functionality of YouTube. So let's test that out. So neither is working here, so I'm going to do PhoneCast. I'm going to connect to my hotspot again. I'm going to connect to my hotspot. I'm going to toggle that on and off, because that's the best way to fire it and get it fully working there. We'll wait for it to appear. We'll connect to the phone. Phone's now connected. That's nice and fast. It's a lot faster than before. And we will do screen mirroring. Select the option. Okay. So this is now looks like it's playing in its own player. No audio at the moment. So we'll just go back to that other video. Let's try and get at it from another menu. So you can control some of it, which is quite nice. It does actually act like its own little player.
Hi, this is Anthony from okplay.com, and today we're checking out the Kiwi design.
So that's not too bad. The lip sync is way more
These are
improved.
silicone touch controller grip covers and also knuckle strap. This, you'd have to get a little Stanley knife or something to cut that bit out. It doesn't push out, unfortunately. The right one has it out already.
So this is much better. You're getting full screen view. You've got some play controls. You don't have to reach for your phone, so that's really, really nice. You've got seeking, which is good.
But other than that, these are pretty good.
To get to different parts of the video.
Really.
Seeking is super fast, so that's really good too. It does crop it, but that's not a bad thing.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
So that's a good test. You can see it's all in sync, so I'm pretty happy with that. I guess there is a really fraction delay, but it's really minor. I don't think that will deter you from enjoying anything that you see on the actual display itself. It's good that you've got some controls. You don't have to reach for the phone. You can see me that I turned off the phone there and it still carried on behind the scenes. You can probably resume and carry on or skip to a different, you've got fast forward here, seconds and so on. Being AirPlay, it's definitely going to confuse it, so you don't want to interact with it too much. Ideally, you want to get the video and just get it playing and then just leave it be. So YouTube, not bad. I think it's definitely going to help improvement with the lip sync and audio sync. It's definitely a big improvement. If I just play, and once you got connected, it's going to make it a lot easier to navigate through other videos as well and have them play on the actual screen too.
Hi, this is Anthony from okplay.com, and today we're checking out the Q21 VR battery strap from Kiwi Design. This is a PU material.
So that's all in sync, happy with that. All full screen, great player, seeking, don't have to touch the phone. Happy days. All right, I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, give us a like, give us a subscribe. It really helps us out. And I'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Bye.